Hello everyone. In today's video, I am solving assignment of the chapter Polynomials of class 9. This assignment has MCQs and subjective type questions including assertion reasoning and case study based questions. So let's start solving it. So question first, multiple choice questions. Question number 1 is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. So here is the solution of the question. Question number 1 and part. This is let p of x ले लो या f of x. It is your choice. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1. So we can write p of minus 1. It is equal to 5 into minus 1. In place of x, you will substitute minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So you can see here 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 square is 1 because power of minus is even number, it becomes positive, plus 3. So it is minus 5 minus 4 ones are 4 plus 3. Minus 5 and minus 4 both are negative numbers, will be added and sign will be written which is with both of them minus 9 बन गया plus 3. So this answer is minus 6. So the value at x equal to minus 1 is minus 6. So here this is option number A in the assignment, minus 6. Option number A, minus 6. Now the next question. This is 0 of 0 polynomial is 0, 1, every real number, none of these. So second question, 0 of 0 polynomial. So here I would like to explain that first what is 0 of a polynomial. So 0 of a polynomial is the one where all the coefficients are equal to 0. 0 of 0 polynomial समझने से पहले आपको 0 polynomial समझना है. 0 polynomial is the one where all the coefficients are equal to 0. And 0 polynomial is the value of variable for which the polynomial becomes 0. किसी polynomial की 0 क्या है? ये उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू है जिसके लिए कोई पॉलिनोमियल जो है वो 0 बन जाता है. एंड 0 पॉलिनोमियल जनरली कैसे लिखते हैं हम? f of x इक्वल टू 0. सो एवरी रियल नंबर इज द 0 of 0 ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 0 of 0 polynomial is every real number. So here C option will be the correct. 0 of 0 polynomial, 0 of 0 polynomial is every real number. Now it's question number 3. So question number 3 I am showing to you. Question is under root 3 is a polynomial of degree 0, 1, 2 or 1 by 2. So under root 3, it can be written as under root 3 into x power 0. So what is the degree? 0. Moreover, under root 3 is a constant polynomial. So we will write here that degree of under root 3, that will be equal to 0. What is the reason? Because under root 3 is a constant polynomial. Under root 3 is a constant polynomial. So option number A will be true, 0. Now is question number 4. So see question number 4. Degree of 0 polynomial. As I already told during this second question that degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. So option number C, degree of 0 polynomial degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Then question number 5. So question number 5 is the coefficient of the highest power of x in this given polynomial is. So here I am writing the polynomial 2x cube minus 4x square plus 5x power 4 माइनस एक्स पावर 5। सबसे पहले आप यहाँ हाईएस्ट पावर देखो x की क्या है 5, तो उसका कॉफिशिएंट क्या है। जैसे ये टर्म माइनस एक्स पावर 5, तो -1 इंटू एक्स पावर 5। तो क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा गया है कि व्हाट इज द कॉफिशिएंट ऑफ हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x इन द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल। तो यहाँ बी ऑप्शन दे नहीं रखी है कुछ, वहां -1 लिख दो, -1 इज द आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, दिस इज a minus b value is given -8, ab value is given -12. You need to find a cube minus b cube value. So this question is to be solved. A minus b value, what is given? It is given -8. You can give it equation number 1, and one more value is given to you, ab, that is equal to -12. And what you need to find? You need to find a cube minus b cube. So you are aware with this identity a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you have already this value a minus b. You have the value of ab also, but you do not have the value of a square plus b square, which you need to find. So what will be done? From 1 क्या था? a minus b is equal to -8. आपने क्या करना है, इसकी दोनों तरफ स्क्वेयरिंग कर देनी है। a minus b का होल स्क्वेयर is equal to -8 whole square. So this will become a square plus b square minus 2ab, and -8 square will be 64 of plus. So a square plus b square will remain as it is, -2, and ab value is given -12, that you will write here, is equal to 64. Now a square plus b square, minus into minus in product, plus 24 is equal to 64. So a square plus b square will be equal to 64, plus 24 goes to the right, -24, 6 minus 2 4, and this is 0. What has it become? 40. Now this 40 value of a square plus b square you will substitute here. So what will happen? Here only I am writing a cube minus b cube, it is equal to, it was a minus b, so it is -8 into, this is a square plus b square, so a square plus b square value is 40. Then ab is -12, so here you will write -12, so it is -8 into 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 1 is 2, 28. This is 8 8s are 64, 6 8 2s are 16, and 6 22. So the answer is -224, and which is option number C given in this assignment. Option C, -224. Now next question is 7. Seventh question is, find the value of 2.3 whole cube minus 0.027 upon 2.3 whole square plus 0.69 plus 0.09. So I am solving this question. 7, this is 2.3 whole cube. then minus 0.027 in the bracket, then 2.3 whole square, then plus 0.69 plus 0.09. So 2.3 whole cube will remain the same, minus this can be written as 0.3 whole cube upon 2.3 whole square, same, plus some space in between, then here plus 0.09 can be written as 0.3 ka whole square. Now how we are speaking a square plus b square plus central term is not here 2ab, it is ab, 2.3 into 0.3. If you multiply 2.3 and 0.3 you will get 0.69. So in the numerator how we will write, let a is equal to 2.3 and b is equal to 0.3. So what this expression will become, ये बनेगी a cube minus b cube. आपने 2.3 जहां था वहां a से रिप्लेस किया, जहां 0.3 था उसको b से रिप्लेस किया. Here is a square प्लस ए बी, इसको a इसको b प्लस b स्क्वेयर. अब a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब की आइडेंटिटी क्या थी, a माइनस बी इंटू ए स्क्वेयर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वेयर अपॉन ए स्क्वेयर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वेयर. तो न्यूमिनेटर में भी ए स्क्वेयर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वेयर है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, कैंसिल कर दो. सो व्हाट यू आर लेफ्ट विद, ए माइनस बी. नाउ ए वैल्यू इज 2.3 minus b value is 0.3. So from 2.3 if you subtract 0.3 you will get 2. So here option is option number A, that is 2. This is 2 is the answer. Now we are going to do subjective type questions. Subjective type questions. So here in subjective type questions, see the question number 1. Show that x plus 3 is a factor of polynomial p of x is equal to 69 plus 11x minus x square plus x cube. So we will solve this question. Question number 1. You are given the polynomial p of x is equal to 69 plus 11x minus x square plus x cube. So what factor we have to check, x plus 3. So here in the side I will equate x plus 3 to 0. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, -3. इसका मतलब x plus 3 की 0 क्या है, -3. नाउ वी विल राइट x plus 3 will be a factor. X plus 3 will be a factor of p of x if x plus 3 जो है वो p of x का फैक्टर कब होगा, if p of -3 will be equal to 0 by using factor theorem. So this -3 will be substituted everywhere wherever x is there in the polynomial. So 69 plus 11 into -3 minus x square, so it is -3 square plus x cube, so it is -3 cube, and it is equal to, we have to check whether it is equal to 0. So it is equal to 69, 11 into -3 -33 minus -3 square is +9, then plus cube, power negative cube it is, so it is negative sign 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So it is 69 minus 33 minus 9, plus into minus in product becomes minus. So it is 69. This is 33 and 9 is 42. 42 and 27 is 69. So 69 minus 69 is 0. So we will write, since P of minus 3 has become 0. So therefore x plus 3 is a factor of P of x. ऐसे केस में x plus 3 जो है P of x का फैक्टर होगा. Now we will do question number 2. Who is find the zeros of the polynomial x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. So let's see how to solve question number 2. This is x minus 2 whole square plus, not plus, it is minus, x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. So here we will use the identity a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here what is a? A is x minus 2 and b is x plus 2. So this is a plus b. So a is x minus 2 plus b is x plus 2. And the square bracket a minus b. So x minus 2, then minus, in the bracket will be written this b, that is x plus 2. So 2 plus and 2 minus cancel. X plus x is 2x. Square bracket changes into small. X minus 2, outside minus, so it will be minus x minus 2. X of plus and x of minus can be cancelled out. 2x, bracket changes into multiply. Minus 2 is minus 4. So it is minus 8x. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8x. So to find 0, put minus 8x equal to 0. So we need to find x. X will be equal to 0 upon minus 8, that is equal to 0. Now is next question number 3. Factorize 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So this is question number 3. 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So 64 is the cube of 4 and m cube is the cube of m. So we can write 4m cube minus 343 is the cube of 7. So it is 7n whole cube. Now we will use the identity. Using identity, a cube minus b cube, it is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So let's substitute the values. A minus b, 4m minus 7n, a square 4m whole square plus ab, so 4m into 7n plus b square, so that is 7n whole square. Now square bracket also close. So it is 4m minus 7n square bracket into small bracket 16, 4 4s are 16 m square plus 4 7s are 28 mn plus 7 7s are 49 n square, and this is the answer. Now Question number 4. If L plus M plus N is equal to 0, then prove that L square upon Mn plus M square upon NL plus N square upon Lm is equal to 3. So let's start doing the solution of this question. Question 4. This is condition given to you, L plus M plus N is equal to 0. So I will number it as 1. Then I am taking LHS to prove this is L square upon Mn plus M square upon NL plus N square upon Lm, right? So LCM here of Mn, NL and Ln is Lmn. अब आप Lmn को इस डिनोमिनेटर Mn से डिवाइड करेंगे, आपको रहेगा आपके पास L और L स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, L क्यूब आएगा। इसको Lmn को NL से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपके पास M रहेगा, M को M स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई, इट इज M क्यूब। Lmn को Lm से डिवाइड करोगे n रहेगा, n इंटू एन स्क्वायर इज n क्यूब। तो आपके पास न्यूमिनेटर में क्या आ गया, L क्यूब प्लस M क्यूब प्लस n क्यूब। तो आपको याद होगा, आपने आइडेंटिटी की थी कि इफ x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू 0, देन इन दिस केस x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब बिकम्स 3xyz। यही आइडेंटिटी यहाँ यूज होगी। तो यहाँ x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इक्वल टू 0 की बजाय L प्लस M प्लस N 0 है, और x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब की जगह L क्यूब प्लस M क्यूब प्लस N क्यूब है। तो आप इसकी जगह क्या लिख दोगे, 3LMN अपॉन Lmn is already there. So you will cancel Lmn with Lmn. So you are left with 3, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Now is question number 5. So question number 5 is, find the value of k if x plus 3 is a factor of 3x square plus kx plus 6. So question number 5. The given polynomial, let p of x is equal to 3x square plus kx plus 6, and x plus 3, which is a given factor, I will equate to 0. X will be equal to minus 3. So we can say minus 3 is the 0 of x plus 3. अब आपको ये दे रखा है कि x plus 3 इसका फैक्टर है, तो क्या लिखेंगे, सिंस x plus 3 is a factor of p of x, तो जब भी x प्लस 3 इसका फैक्टर है, सो रिमाइंडर विल बी इक्वल टू 0, यानी p ऑफ माइनस 3 विल बी इक्वल टू 0। अब आपने जहां जहां x है वहां वहां माइनस 3 पुट करना और इस सारी एक्सप्रेशन को 0 के इक्वल करना है। 3 इंटू माइनस 3 का स्क्वेयर प्लस k इंटू माइनस 3 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0। Minus 3 square will be plus 9, and 9 into 3 is 27, plus into minus in product minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. 27 plus 6 is 33, minus 3k is equal to 0. So minus 3k प्लस का 33 राइट में चला जाएगा, माइनस 33 बनेगा, माइनस माइनस आमने सामने कैंसल, k विल बी इक्वल टू 33 अपॉन 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 11. So the value of k has come out to be 11. Question number 6. Very important question. Find m and n if x plus 2 and x plus 1 are the factors of x cube plus 3x square minus 2mx plus n. So we will solve it. There are many other questions with changed digits, so you should try more also. Let p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2mx plus n. And the two factors which are given, one is given x plus 2, so equate x plus 2 to 0, x will be minus 2. तो x plus 2 की 0 क्या आएगी? minus 2. इसी तरह से एक x plus 1 दे रखा है, तो x की वैल्यू भी क्या आएगी? minus 1. Means 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Now we will write, since x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. x plus 2 किसका फैक्टर है? p of x का. Therefore इसकी 0 क्या है? minus 2. So p of minus 2 will be equal to 0. अब आप minus 2 वहां पुट करोगे जहां जहां पॉलिनोमियल में x है, तो minus 2 का क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 का स्क्वेयर माइनस 2 mx m इंटू माइनस 2x की जगह प्लस n and that will be equal to 0. minus 2 cube is minus 8. minus 2 square plus 4. 4 into 3 is 12. minus into minus in product plus 4m. 2 2s are 4. Plus n is equal to 0. 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 4m plus n is equal to 0. It implies 4m plus n. ये जो प्लस का 4 लेफ्ट में है, राइट में जाएगा, माइनस का 4 बनेगा एंड यू कैन गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब जैसे x प्लस 2 इसका फैक्टर था, वैसे ही x प्लस 1 भी दे रखा है. तो सिंस x प्लस 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ p ऑफ x, so therefore p of minus 1 will also be equal to 0. Now we will substitute wherever x is there we will put minus 1. So x cube minus 1 cube. Then plus 3x square, so 3 into minus 1 का square. Minus 2mx, so 2m into minus 1 plus n is equal to 0. It implies minus 1 का क्यूब minus 1. minus 1 का square plus 1 plus 1 into 3 3. minus into minus in product plus 2m plus n is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2m plus n is equal to 0. So 2m plus n प्लस का 2 राइट में जाएगा, माइनस 2 बनेगा एंड यू कैन गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ वी आर टू सॉल्व 1 and 2. सॉल्विंग 1 and 2. So what is 1? 4m plus n is equal to minus 4. And what is second? 2m plus n is equal to minus 2. सब्ट्रैक्शन होगी तो साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. प्लस का 2m माइनस बन गया, प्लस का n माइनस का बन गया, माइनस का 2 प्लस का बन गया. n प्लस का और n माइनस का कैंसल. 4m माइनस 2m इट इज 2m. minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So the value of m has come out to be minus 2 over 2 minus 1. अब जो ये m की वैल्यू आई, इसे आप कहीं भी पुट कर दो, चाहे 1 में चाहे 2 में. तो मैं 1 में पुट कर देता हूं. पुट m इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 इन 1. तो 1 क्या था, 4m प्लस n, तो 4 मल्टीप्लाइड m इज -1, 4m प्लस n इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, -4, 4 इंटू -1 -4 प्लस n इज इक्वल टू -4, तो n क्या बनेगा, -4, माइनस का 4 राइट में, प्लस का 4, so it is 0. So we have got the value of m as -1 and the value of n as 0. Now we will do question number 7. 7 is factorizing 2x square plus 7x plus 3 by splitting the middle term. So you need to factorize it. Question number 7. So it is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So here the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant term is 3. So 2 multiplied 3 is 6. So any two factors of 6 which on multiplication give 6 but on addition give the coefficient of x, that is 7. So that is 6 into 1, 6, and if we add 6 plus 1 we get 7. So it will be 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Now in these two and in these two something will be common. In these two we will take 2x common. Inside 2x square upon 2x is x, 6x upon 2x is 3. In these two nothing is common, so 1 is common, x plus 3. So in one bracket 2x plus 1, in other bracket x plus 3. So 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 is the factorization of the given polynomial. Now we will be doing question number 8. So what is question number 8? If x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of the given polynomial, so what we have to do? We are to find that p is equal to r. So let's start. Question number 8. The polynomial, let f of x, we can assume, let f of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. Now it is given that x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are its factors. तो मैं x minus 2 को 0 के इक्वल करूंगा तो x क्या आएगा 2. हम क्या बोलेंगे 2 is the 0 of x minus 2. और x minus 1 by 2 को 0 के इक्वल करेंगे, x आएगा 1 by 2. So we can say that 1 by 2 is also the 0 of the given polynomial. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे since x minus 2 is factor of f of x, therefore f of 2 will be equal to 0. It implies जहां जहां x है वहां 2 पुट कर दो, p इंटू 2 का स्क्वेयर प्लस 5 इंटू 2 प्लस r, that is equal to 0. Now 2 2s are 4, 4p plus 10 plus r, that is equal to 0. 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. I will give it equation number 1. Also x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of f of x. X minus 1 by 2 is also a factor of f of x. Therefore, f of 1 by 2 will also be equal to 0. It implies p into 1 by 2 square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r, that is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर 1 by 4 So we will get p upon 4 plus 5 upon 2 plus r, that is equal to 0. Now from here we will solve it. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 1 into p. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 5s are 10. प्लस यहाँ कुछ भी डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं है, 1 है, 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 4, 4r, that will be equal to 0. So it is p plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0 into 4, that will be equal to 0. So this is another equation that we have got. This is p plus 10 plus 4 r is equal to 0. You can give it equation number 2. Now it is given x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 both are the factors of this. So what we have to do, this is, since x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 both are factors of f of x, दोनों ही फैक्टर्स f of x के, तो यहाँ ये 0 के इक्वल और यहाँ भी 0 के इक्वल, तो आप क्या करेंगे, इक्वेट कर देंगे 1 और 2 को, फ्रॉम 1 एंड 2. तो 1 में क्या आया था आपके पास, 4p प्लस 10 प्लस r, 4p प्लस 10 प्लस r, इसको किसके इक्वल कर देंगे, यहां पर p प्लस 10 प्लस 4r के, क्योंकि ये दोनों इक्वेशन 0 के इक्वल थी. 10 और 10 आमने सामने सेम साइन का कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4p और ये p की टर्म जो लेफ्ट में आएगी माइनस p, और 4r और ये r की टर्म राइट में जाएगी माइनस r. तो 4p में से p माइनस करेंगे 3p, 4r में से r माइनस करेंगे 3r, 3 3 कैंसिल. So you have got p is equal to r, and this only was to be proved, hence proved. This is an important extra question. Question number 9. Factorize 2 under root 2 a cube plus 8b cube minus 27c cube plus 18 under root 2 abc. So 9th question. This is 2 under root 2 a cube plus 8b cube minus 27c cube plus 18 under root 2 a b c. So अंडर रूट 2 a का होल क्यूब, और माइंड में आपने इसको बोलना है एक्स क्यूब, प्लस 2b का होल क्यूब, माइंड में बोलेंगे प्लस वाई क्यूब, प्लस माइनस 3c का होल क्यूब, माइंड में बोलेंगे प्लस जेड क्यूब, माइनस 3xyz, 3 इंटू अंडर रूट 2a इंटू 2b इंटू माइनस 3c. राइट. अब आप यहां आइडेंटिटी लगाएंगे, यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3xyz, इट इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर प्लस जेड स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स. This identity will be applied. So it is equal to square bracket x plus y plus z. In place of x we have under root 2a plus y is 2b plus z is minus 3c. Then again square bracket x square means under root 2a का होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर मीन्स 2b का होल स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर मीन्स -3c का होल स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई सो माइनस अंडर रूट 2a इंटू 2b then minus yz so y is 2b and z is -3c then minus zx so minus z is -3c and a is under root 2a then square bracket close. Now we will solve it in one bracket small bracket under root 2a plus 2b plus into minus is -3c under root 2a whole square will become 2a square plus 4b square minus square is plus 9c square then minus 2 under root 2ab here minus into minus product plus 2 3s are 6 bc then minus into minus in product plus 3 under root 2 ca so this is the final solution. The answer is under root 2a plus 2b minus 3c into 2a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 2 under root 2ab plus 6bc plus 3 under root 2ca. Now is question number 10. X minus 1 upon x value is 2. Find x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. So question number 10. X minus 1 upon x. What is given? It is equal to 2. So here you will do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So it is x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 2 whole square. This is a minus b का whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2 into x into 1 by x. 2 2s are 4. X cancel. So it is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to 4. So it is x square plus 1 by x square and 4 minus 2 becomes plus 2 that is equal to 6. Now you will do the squaring again. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. So this is x square plus 1 by x square और उसका whole square is equal to 6 का whole square. So this is a plus b का whole square once again. A square means x square का whole square plus 1 upon x square का whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 into x square into 1 by x square is equal to 36. X square cancel. This is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 plus 2 is equal to 36. So from here x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 36 minus 2 that is equal to 34. So this way we have solved question number 10. Now question number 11. This is x square plus 1 upon x square is 14. So you need to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So let's start question number 11. You are given x square plus 1 upon x square value 14. So give it equation number 1, and what you need to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube, this question mark. So how will you proceed? You will proceed with x plus 1 upon x whole square, means a plus b का whole square. So that is x whole square a square plus b square, means 1 upon x whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1 by x. Now x plus 1 upon x whole square, it is equal to x whole square is x square plus 1 upon x square, x x cancel, so it is plus 2. अब आपके पास एक्स स्क्र प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्र की वैल्यू है 1 में, तो आप लिखेंगे पुट एक्स स्क्र प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्र 14, राइट. सो x प्लस 1 अपॉन x होल स्क्र, it will be 14 plus 2, that is equal to 16. Now x plus 1 upon x whole square, 16 is the square of 4, so we can write 4 whole square. So therefore x plus 1 upon x value, square square cancel, so that is 4. अब आपने इसकी क्यूबिंग करनी है दोनों तरफ, क्यूबिंग on both sides, cubing on both sides. So it will be x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to 4 whole cube. So a plus b का whole cube is a cube, यानी x का whole cube, plus b cube यानी 1 upon x का whole cube, plus 3ab, 3 into x into 1 upon x into a plus b, x plus 1 by x is equal to 4 cube is 64. a plus b का होल क्यूब आपने आइडेंटिटी याद रखनी है, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू a प्लस b. तो ये बनेगा x क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब, एक्स एक्स कैंसल, प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 बाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू 64. अब आपके पास x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स की वैल्यू आ चुकी है 4. पुट x प्लस 1 बाई एक्स इक्वल टू 4. सो देयरफॉर एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 multiplied 4 is equal to 64. So it is x cube plus 1 by x cube, 3 4s are 12 is equal to 64. So from here x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 64 minus 12. 52 is the answer of this question, 11 number. Now let's proceed to do 12 number question. This question is also very important. Such type of 4 questions are there in your exercise and 2 questions are there in example. All the 6 questions should be properly tried. Factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So let's proceed. Question number 12. Let p of x is equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. तो यहां आपने देखना है कांस्टेंट टर्म क्या है 20, तो उसके फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं सबसे पहले. फैक्टर्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म, factors of constant term 20 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 10 एंड प्लस माइनस 20, ये इसके फैक्टर्स है। अब 1 हो सकता है इसका फैक्टर -1। अब आपने क्या करना है, दीज आर द पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स। अब आपने इसमें अगर 1 पुट करते हैं तो ये 0 कभी बन ही नहीं सकता। आप -1 पुट करो तो आप लिखेंगे p ब्रैकेट में -1, -1 के साथ ट्राई करते हैं, ये बनेगा -1 का क्यूब प्लस 13 इंटू -1 का स्क्वेयर प्लस 32 इंटू -1 प्लस 20। तो -1 का क्यूब इज -1, -1 का स्क्वेयर इज +1, तो ये 13 -32 प्लस 20। अब आप सभी नेगेटिव नंबर्स को इकट्ठा कर दो, -1 -32 देन +13 प्लस 20। -32 -1 बना -33, 20 प्लस 13 बना प्लस का 33, सो इट हैज कम आउट टू बी 0। तो p ऑफ -1 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 0। तो फैक्टर थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग अगर p ऑफ -a 0 होता था तो x प्लस a उस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है। तो सिंस p ऑफ -1 हैज कम आउट टू बी 0, देयरफॉर x प्लस 1, अगर यहां -1 हो तो यहां क्या आ जाएगा, +1। x प्लस 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ p ऑफ x। अब आप क्या करेंगे, ये तो एक फैक्टर आया, बाकी के 2 फैक्टर्स आप निकालेंगे। नाउ वी विल डिवाइड पॉलिनोमियल p ऑफ x बाई x प्लस 1। हम पॉलिनोमियल को किससे डिवाइड करेंगे, उसके एक फैक्टर से। सो दिस इज x क्यूब प्लस 13x स्क्वेयर प्लस 32x प्लस 20, ये है पॉलिनोमियल, और इसको डिवाइड करेंगे हम x प्लस 1 से। x क्यूब को x से डिवाइड करें तो क्या आता है, x स्क्वेयर। x स्क्वेयर इंटू x इज x क्यूब, x स्क्वेयर इंटू +1 इज प्लस x स्क्वेयर, ये माइनस ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा। देन 13x स्क्वेयर माइनस 1x स्क्वेयर इज 12x स्क्वेयर प्लस 32x प्लस 20। 12x स्क्वेयर को x डिवाइड करेगा तो प्लस का 12x आएगा। 12x इंटू एक्स इज 12x स्क्वेयर, 12x इंटू 1 इज प्लस 12x, फिर से माइनस ये कैंसिल, प्लस का और माइनस का। 32 में से 12 माइनस करे 20x प्लस 20, 20x को x डिवाइड करेगा प्लस 20, 20 इंटू एक्स इज 20x प्लस 20 इंटू 1 इज 20, so this is minus cancel 0. So we will apply now, since dividend is equal to divisor multiplied quotient plus a remainder. So dividend here is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, and divisor is here x plus 1 जिसके साथ डिवाइड कर रहे हैं। क्वोशंट है x square plus 12x plus 20 and the remainder is 0। अब आप लेफ्ट साइड कुछ नहीं करेंगे, राइट साइड में x प्लस 1, इसको x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट 1, कांस्टेंट टर्म इज 20, 1 इंटू 20 इज 20। 20 के कोई 2 फैक्टर्स जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 20 बने, ऐड करें तो x का कोएफिशिएंट 12 बने, 10 2s आर, तो ये बनेगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 10x प्लस 2x प्लस 20। अब x प्लस 1 तो सेम रहा, यहां स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, इन फर्स्ट 2 में x कॉमन, तो एक्स स्क्वायर को एक्स डिवाइड करेगा एक्स, 10x को x करेगा +10, इन दो में +2 कॉमन, 2x को 2 डिवाइड करे तो x, 20 को 2 करेगा तो 10. So what we have got, x plus 1 into x plus 2 into ये जो सेम है that is x plus 10. So these are the factors of the polynomial. Question number 13. Find the product by using the suitable identity x minus 5y into x square plus 5xy plus 25y square. So see here, this is the 13th question. X minus 5y into x square plus 5xy plus 25y square. So this x minus 5y is same and this x whole square, we can speak it a square, plus 5y whole square, we can speak it plus b square, and this central term will be ab, x into 5y. So which identity is this? This is using identity this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. So here a is x minus b is 5y, x minus 5y whole cube. So we can write it 3 times, x minus 5y into x minus 5y into x minus 5y. So basically this is a question of factorize. So we have done by using the suitable identity. Now the next question is assertion reasoning type. So see here, assertion type, reason type. Following questions consist of the two statements assertion and reason. Answer these questions selecting the appropriate option given below. Both A option is both assumption and reasoning are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false, and D option is R is true but A is false. So let's start doing the question number 14. 0 of the polynomial 3x minus 2 is 2 by 3. तो 14th क्वेश्चन क्या है, जैसे एक पॉलिनोमियल दे रखा है 3x माइनस 2, अगर इसकी 0 फाइंड करनी हो तो क्या करेंगे, 0 के इक्वल 3x क्या आएगा 2, x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 2 बाई 3. तो फर्स्ट उसने बोला था कि 3x माइनस 2 की 0 जो है वो 2/3 है, दैट इज तो राइट. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and then it is given x is equal to 2 by 3. Now this is also correct and this is also correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. So here this is B option will be true, that assertion and reason both are true, assertion and reasoning both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. But R is not the correct explanation of A. R is not the correct explanation of A. Now we will proceed with question number 15. Now case study based question number 15. Teacher wrote a polynomial x square plus kx plus 8 on the blackboard and said that the value of this polynomial at x equal to -3 is -1. So what is the value of k? and further more questions are also asked. So this is case study based question, and the question number is 15. The part number is 1. So here the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus kx plus 8. Now it is given that the value of this polynomial p of x at x equal to minus 3 is minus 1. So p of minus 3 will be equal to minus 1. It implies x square minus 3 square plus k into minus 3 plus 8 will be equal to minus 1. Now minus 3 square is 9, minus 3k plus 8 is equal to minus 1. 9 plus 8 is 17, minus 3k is equal to minus 1. It implies minus 3k is equal to minus 1 minus 17. So minus 3k is equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel on both the sides. K will be equal to 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Now is part number 2. Part number 2 is what type of polynomial is it? So it is having power 2. इसकी power कितनी है? 2 है. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Then third is zeros of the पॉलिनोमियल आर. इस पॉलिनोमियल की जीरोज निकालनी है. तो जो आपको पॉलिनोमियल दिया है पी ऑफ एक्स, वो क्या था? एक्स स्क्र प्लस के एक्स प्लस 8. सो एक्स स्क्र प्लस के की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 6. तो 6x प्लस 8 फैक्टराइज करेंगे. एक्स स्क्र का कॉफिशिएंट 1, कांस्टेंट टर्म 8, 4 2s are 8. एक्स स्क्र प्लस 4x प्लस 2x प्लस 8, राइट. तो पहले दो में x कॉमन, x प्लस 4, देन प्लस 2 कॉमन, x प्लस 4. सो इन वन ब्रैकेट x प्लस 2, इन अदर ब्रैकेट x प्लस 4, राइट. टू फाइंड जीरोज of px, put this x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. So the value of x will be minus 2 and x will be equal to minus 4. So therefore minus 2 comma minus 4 are the zeros of px polynomial, right. Next, part number 4. This is the value of the polynomial at x equal to 3. So we will find p of 3. So the polynomial was x square, so it is 3 ka square plus 6x. So 6 into 3 plus 8. So 3 square is 9 plus 6 into 3 is 18 plus 8. So 19 plus 8, 27 plus 8 is 35. So this was the solution of question 15 case study based question. Now we will do question number 16 of case study based questions. If small a be the number of children who take junk food and b be the number of children who take healthy food such that a is greater than b, means the number of children who eat junk food is more than the number of children who eat healthy food. So where a and b are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, So answer the following questions. Find the number of students who take healthy food. How many students take junk food? Find the value of the polynomial at y equal to -1 and find the value of k if f of 0 plus f of 1 is equal to k into f of 2. So let's solve each and every part of this question. Question number 16. So this is part 1. F of y, it is given equal to 2y square minus 18y plus 40. So coefficient of y square is 2 and constant term is 40. 40 into 2 is 80. 10 8s are 80. 2y square minus 10y minus 8y plus 40. In the first two terms, 2y common. Inside will be y minus 5. Here minus 8 common. Y minus and plus becomes minus 5. So in one bracket 2y minus 8 and in other bracket y minus 5. तो zeros find out करेंगे. To find zeros of fy, to find zeros of fy, put 2y minus 8 equal to 0 and y minus 5 equal to 0. So from here y will be equal to 8 upon 2, 4, and here y will be equal to 5. So we have got two zeros, one is 4 and one is 8. So it is written that the A was the number of children who eat junk food, B is who eat healthy food, and A is greater than B. So here we will say that A has come out to be 5 junk food and B has come out to be 4. So A is greater than B, and these are in fact the zeros of this polynomial. Now second part, how many students take junk food? So as I told, A is greater than B and it is written that A is the number of students who eat junk food. So answer will be number of students who eat junk food, 5. How many? 5 students will be there who eat junk food. Now is part number 3. Find the value of the polynomial at y equal to -1. So f of -1 will be equal to 2y square. So 2 into -1 square minus 18y. So minus 18 into -1 plus 40. So minus 1 square is plus 1. So it is 2 plus 18 plus 40. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 40 is 60. So f of -1 is equal to 60. Now is part number 4, or you can say D part. This is A, B, C, D. Find the value of k if f of 0 plus f of 1 is equal to k into f of 2. So f of 0, it implies 2 into 0 square because it is 2y square minus 18y. So 18 into 0 plus 40. ये बन गया f of 0. f of 1 भी ऐसी 2 into 1 का स्क्वेयर minus 18 into 1 plus 40 is equal to k square bracket f of 2. So 2 into 2 square minus 18 into 2 plus 40. So 2 into 0 square is 0 minus 0 plus 40 plus 2 minus 18 plus 40 is equal to k into 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 minus 36 plus 40. So 40 plus 2 is 42. 42 plus 40 is 82. So this is 82 minus 18 is equal to K. This is 48 minus 36. 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. K into this is 8 minus 6 2 and this is 1. So K is equal to 64 upon 12. 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 2 6, 4 6 are 24. So the value of K has come out to be 16 upon 3. So this was the total solution of this assignment of the chapter polynomials. Hope you have understood each and every question. So if you have understood, do give your feedback in the comment section and do like the videos, and if channel is not subscribed so far, do subscribe so that in future when I post more videos of the questions, you may get to know by subscription. Thank you.